Hi guys, it's that time again. Time for a holiday. I'm really excited for a holiday. So, as most vacuum cleaner fans would do, I brought my vacuum cleaner on holiday with me. In this particular 2-bedroom lodge, it's 2 carpeted bedrooms. They've got a Hetty vacuum cleaner. So let's see how much the shark will pick up. Already picking something up. There's a little wardrobe here that I can clean as well. Today's Monday, darling. I'm staying till Friday. Hope you can hear me okay with the vacuum cleaner. As you can see, it's really picking up quite a fair bit in this 1 bedroom. So I've got a few days to vacuum this lodge. I'm going to vacuum it every day while I'm here. I just realised the section relief thing was open on it, so getting its best potential, but it's good now. A couple of bits being missed by the cleaners, not very thorough. It's already looking so much better, I must tell you. I've arrived earlier than my family, so that means it's perfect opportunity to clean this lodge while they're not here. I've still got another bedroom to do. I just want to see how much it's picked up so far. Not bad, it's not terrible. Yeah, it's not as bad as expecting it to be. I put clean filters in it. So I think what I'll do, I'll just change the socket over. I've got a couple of area mats I can vacuum as well. I'll have to reduce the sections to quite thin. Another reason I bought the shark was for that feature. So I've got the same situation again. We've got a wardrobe I can vacuum. The headlight is very handy on this vacuum because it's not the lightest lodge in the world. I've stayed here in the past in the same situation, bought a vacuum cleaner with me. See all the imperfections in the carpet as well. Move this chair out of the way. Get right into there. Open this wardrobe while I've got a shark. That's right move. later. This Shark's not got the longest cable in the world, but it'll do. The carpets feel much nicer under the foot now. I'm not sure if you heard me over the vacuum cleaner, but I'm staying Monday to Friday. Today's Monday, so I'll vacuum every day because it's not going to pick everything at first time. So there's some rugs and stuff I can vacuum. Perfect opportunity while my family is still yet to arrive. So hopefully I can get this all done in time before they arrive. My suitcases and stuff there. But because they're quite thin, I'm going to have to reduce the suction on the Shark. And if I just use a microwave, should be a good spot. So it's not going to get its best clean, but I'm going to reduce the suction all the way just because it's quite a thin mat. When I came last time I had a Dyson V6, so it was ideal for this. So it's just... much better. Sliding over nicely. This is this rug here as well. I can hear it picking up. Doormat feels good under the foot. This vacuum cleaner is quite pleasant to use. I'm not going to vacuum these every day because it's going to get wet from the sink and the hot tub. Starting to get dark here in Shropshire. So although Hattie's fine on the hard floors, let's give it a quick going over. So as you can see, it's done a good job. I'll just quickly go over the hard floors while I'm here. Finish off the video nicely. Sorry about that, I dropped my phone. It's quite hard to hold the cord and the vacuum cleaner at the same time as the phone. Nice and warm in here. Still picking bits up. Just going to do the main floor area. Just around here. Got the man's up chair, that's new. Over the floor over here. if I use with a flick of a switch go back to carpet. So aside from me dropping my phone on the hard floor, I think that video came out quite well. If you're wondering, I'm filming an iPhone 14 Pro Max. So that's the end result. It's not as bad as I expected it to be, but I don't know if they got some sort of turbo head with the Hetty. Move my suitcase out the way. Let's have a look. No, it's just a normal Hetty head. It is a 1440, so the 40th week of 2014 that Hetty was made. For those that are interested. I've stayed in this particular lodge before, so it's a few years back now. I did bring a vacuum cleaner with me then. It would have been probably some sort of Dyson. I usually bring a Dyson with me, but Shark is more portable than a Dyson in my opinion. Much better for carrying around because you can fit it right in the back of the boot of the car quite easily. The Shark is quite tall, so what I did is I took the handle off, just like that, and it was much flatter then, and so I just wrapped it around the vacuum cleaner. I've even got somewhere to store the vacuum cleaner, which is handy. So I'm going to put the Shark in this wardrobe for now. Perfect, so hope the lighting was okay. Again, it's a bit annoying that I dropped my phone during the video, but other than that I thought it came out okay. Hope you enjoyed this video, more videos to come. I will upload this when I get home on Friday, so thanks for watching and I'll see you guys soon.